Yes, welcome to Universal Studios, Hollywood. This is Have Faith, We'll Travel. Gonna do a construction update because, gosh, over a year ago, I was standing here by the globe. It's still there, still not spinning, but I think they are still gonna be moving it, but not quite yet. But there are some changes. Yes, our security is still here. They have not moved that yet. You notice it's closed. All the gates are open because the park is closing in like an hour and a half. Yes, welcome. They do have the security over at the front if you're going into the park. Okay, so this part hasn't changed yet, but you're gonna see in a minute. There are some changes because security is changing. They have added 2 new metal detector areas, and I'm going to be showing those to you. So they have been doing something. They have not broken ground yet on the Universal Studios Hotel. I don't know when they're going to break ground, but they have to have the new security hubs before they break ground. But they are getting ready for something. I'm going to show you right now. Colorful flowers. They're purple because they're getting ready for Fan Fest, the 2nd annual Fan Fest. I love the flowers. And I love the misters. It is hot today. It's supposed to be cloudy. I don't see one cloud in the sky. I do see red carpet. Red carpet is still out. There it is. Look at. Fan Fest is gonna be starting in, what's today's Friday? On Tuesday, we're having team member preview night. And this carpet's gonna be purple. My favorite color, I cannot wait. My Universal Studios. So this hopefully is not gonna change. But we have something weird over here. We have a wall. It's the security wall. There, it's a wall. You can see it there with all the misters. They still have some construction going on for the wall. That means if you're on this inside part, you're clean. You've been through security. The people on the other side of the wall are dirty. This is what one of my bosses was saying. Clean people and dirty people. The dirty people have not gone through security yet. But yeah, look at, this wasn't here a year and a half ago. Our wall. The new wall. Love the flowers. Gotta get the globe one more time. So let me show you a little bit more of the wall here at Universal Studios. So this wall is all around the security hub to make sure that the dirty people get clean. A little bit of construction wall still. Found out they're still working here behind this little wall on a emergency gate. You can see through the hole. There's an emergency gate that can open up. See the wheels? If there's an emergency, it is open. And those people on the inside, those are clean people. And now I'm dirty. Actually, no security going on. Just if you're going in the park. But it's gonna change, so you can't even go through City Walk unless you go through security. Which is good, you know, we wanna be safe. Hi, American flag. But yeah, look at the wall. This is all brand new. Not too bad looking, it's see-through. And they're putting some bushes there. And then remember this area? It used to be the Saddleback Ranch restaurant. And for special events, still supposedly would be part of the hotel. It's hard to see it there. Whenever they decide to start building it, well, they gotta get the security up first. Okay, so there's the new security wall around Universal. See, those are clean people. I'm technically a dirty person. No, I took a shower. I have not been through security. I haven't been through the metal detectors. So we still have a construction wall here because we're not quite done building that wall. See, you can see the fence part there on the right. Nothing on the left because we're not quite done. Oh, nobody could take a picture over here by the beautiful fountain. I will because I'm over here. Should I take a picture? My favorite fountain. There it is. Hi. Take a picture. Yes, there's my favorite fountain. There's the music. So yeah, they gotta finish the wall, a little bit left. So if you are coming in from the Frankenstein parking structure, which is over here, you're still dirty. You have to go through security first. But you do have to walk a little bit. That's okay, not too far. It's for your safety. They still have these fences, entry, actually for a special event that's coming up. Well, for FanFest, for the VIPs, celebrities, influencers. I guess they're gonna go through here. Lucky them. They will have metal detectors on the other side because they're still dirty. Hi, pets. Despicable Me. The Frankenstein parking structure. Hi, Frankie. There he is, Frankenstein. Parking for front gate and preferred park. There's the Hilton. My favorite American flag. And there's the awesome side of the fountain. The waterfall side. So yes, they haven't touched this, and I hope they don't ever touch it. Leave it be. You cars are not supposed to be there. Yeah, I work in parking, so I know that. Unless you're like a VIP or we might let you pick up a disabled person real fast, but you're supposed to be picking up in Frankenstein, people. Since I'm over here at the Frankenstein parking structure, you can actually get a good look of the new roller coaster, Fast and Furious. Looks like there's no testing going on right now. But look at that. Oh, you're gonna go down. Down. Look at all that. Fire station. Fire station 51. Need to go right here to this loop. Okay, you're not gonna go totally upside down. They were asking me, are you gonna go on it? Yes. But I'm not gonna be the first test dummy. I'll let some other people go first. As long as it's safe, I will definitely be on it. It looks fun. Yeah, no test cars right now. But last time I was here having fun inside the park, I did see them testing, and I'll throw the video in here, right? Yeah. Soon. This summer it's opening. Look at that. We got some cars out here. The 99 Nissan Skyline GTR. As seen in Too Fast, Too Furious. You see the Dodge, the 70 Dodge Charger from Fast and Furious 2001. It is the one from the movie. We just need Vin Diesel. They're testing it.
They're just testing it. Huh?
The cars look so cool. Oh, look at how it turns. The Dodge. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. That's cool. That's cool. dinosaurs. And there's the lower lot. Yes. Not that many people because the park's gonna be closing real soon. There's Super Nintendo World. I do hear the dinosaurs in Jurassic. Very cool. And you do have to look at the view. Look at the mountains. And the golf course. A little hazy today. Oh, I found 2 little clouds. Couple more over there. It's definitely not cloudy today. Okay, Jurassic World. A little closer to the loop. The end of Fast and Furious. Cool. Still doing some work on it. Still got the construction dudes. They got some more glass over there. They gotta put up here. Fiberglass? Probably. Make sure you don't fall out. Make sure your belongings don't fly out. Whee! Just trying to imagine. Cool. Hi, Fire Station 51. That is a working fire station. Yes, when we have problems, we always see them, even outside the park. They come help us. And that's where the studio tram tour comes down. A nice fake wall there. They have a big wall. This roller coaster is probably going to be a little noisy. Not too noisy. Yeah, I wish we were testing it right now, but you saw it. The ride vehicles. It looks like it was going a little slow, but I think they'll be going a little faster. They're still just testing. And that big building is the queue area. Oh, there's some guys working on it. Still working. Hi, guys. Construction guys with their white hats. And unfortunately, they took away our animal actor show and the special effects show for the ride. I hear rumors that they're going to be getting rid of Walter's World. Come on, guys. You gotta have some shows. I hope they don't do that. But look at that track. That is cool. At least, yeah, this will be fun. Opening summer is all we're getting. They don't want to give any specific dates, just in case they're not ready, but they're saying summer. Sometime in the summer, it is coming. It will open. That is an upside down loop. Ooh, that is upside down. That's totally upside down right there. Okay. There's no shoulder restraints, so as long as they keep us safe. Hi. So I made it back to the security hub.
Don't forget to collect your items once you pass through.
So this wall is new here too. You don't remember that, do you? It's new. So I guess maybe they're not moving security in the front. I was told that they were going to move it, but it doesn't look like it. So I thought the blueprint I saw was that the hotel was going to be up to the globe. So something tells me I guess that might be changing, because the hotel's supposed to be right over here in the Woody Woodpecker lot. I guess they're just not ready yet. Hi, Woody. So, yeah. Guess they're not ready for the hotel yet. Interesting. So my very first video, almost a year and a half ago, which if I can figure it out, I will link right here. But this whole area is going to be the hotel. A 500 rooms, 11 stories. Oh, there's Hotel Shuttle. Hi. I'm waving at him. He's not waving at me. There's the wall. And it's closed off our palm court where the trees are. They even had to move the shuttle over here because very soon we're gonna have our own little area. So over by Tilly's, they call this palm court. And it's all closed off now. So you see how the palm trees are still here, yay. But they're working on the wall. I don't know if you can see it, but it's behind this mesh. And here's the wall. All brand new. And they closed off the stairs. I think they'll still be there because the wall's like right there. So I think you'll still be able to get into palm court if you're clean. And yes, we still have construction walls because they're building that wall behind here. This is where the hotel shuttle used to come. Now they're designated over there by the bus lot. And supposedly this is all gonna be hotel, a pool. That's what I was told. I guess they're not ready for the hotel yet. And they built a new sidewalk. If you looked in the old video, there was something here. The palm trees, they chopped them down just like they did over by Jurassic parking. That's the sad part. These bushes, they don't cut it. But there's the new security hub over there. These are all new. New pylons. Hey, we used to have cones here, so that's better. But the palm trees, like we're right here where the fence is. Now I know why. They chopped them down. Those are the really tall ones, like those ones over there. All lined up along here. All chopped down. Tier. This will keep out the dirty people. Like, technically I'm dirty on the outside over here. But here's our wall. So in my videos from a year and a half ago, they told us this was going to be a parking structure. But no, it's going to be a transportation hub and security. So this is where the hotel shuttle and the tug that goes down to Lancashire are going to come, and where you have to go through security to get to City Walk. And there's the escalators they built. Yeah, that's why they had to take down all those palm trees. But I see they put up some new ones. Not looking too good. I think they need a little bit water, guys. They're not as tall as the other ones, but at least they got some palm trees. I heard every palm tree they cut down, they have to plant a new tree. And the other trees that were over here in Woodpecker parking lot. So yeah, I see a couple trees. Let's get a better view. This is where the hotel shuttle stop used to go. And Mr. Barbecue is coming soon. Where Johnny Rockets used to be. Yes, I made it to City Walk. Okay, I made it up above. And there you can see the new security hub. There's some walls. Dirty people behind there. Once you go through security, you'll be clean. Okay, that's the pathway. For the hotel shuttle and for the tug, we call it the tug. It's like the tram, but a big truck pulls it because it has to go up and down the hill. Oh, the little palm trees are so little, but at least they added palm trees. I mean, they're not as big as these guys. That's what used to be there. And they chopped them all down. But I do see something interesting. The tile that's going to be on the ground used to be the tile that we had on the sidewalk where the palm trees were. So they're keeping those kind. The hexagon tiles? Cool. But yeah, gonna be taking down the wall like in a few days. That's a new tree. They did chop down one like almost in the same area. Oh, there's some more pylons. There's that. More pylons. So once you're clean, you'll be walking up here and right to City Walk. Cool. But yeah, that's the new security hub. Almost done. I cannot believe it. Look back at my videos. This used to all just be a parking lot. Man, it was aisle H. Aisle H is no more. We've just gone to G and got rid of H. See, there's G. There it is. Now there's more fencing walls. So the fence will go all the way around. Keep out those dirty people. And I gotta show you the Hollywood Hills. There's the Hollywood Hills. I feel like a little bit of a tourist here. I'm out here on my day off. And here's the other side of the hub. The little palm trees and the water. Escalators. It's hard to see, but inside there, underneath all that, you go through security. I like how they did add some more trees. There's one, a few more over there, another one over there. Yeah, looks like they're almost done. Then in that parking lot, soon will be the, start working on the hotel. That is the new, I don't know what they're going to call it. Hopefully Woody Woodpecker, since they're tearing down the Woody Woodpecker lot. Name it after Woody. It came down a little lower. So you can see under the canopy. Still kind of all sealed up, but I did see some like TV monitors or like over there by the fans. So I might have to wait in line, keep you entertained. But yeah, that's where security's gonna be. You gotta go through there to be clean before you can go to City Walk or Universal. Once you go through, you don't have to go through again. That's a good thing. You go through these security, you don't have to do the security at the front. Because you'll be clean. And you can go right to the park. And there's the escalator. See? They're not working yet. There's the escalator all the way up on the side of the building. So bring you down. Go through security. I do like the trees. They did chop down. Oh, hey, it's the hotel shuttle. I mean the tug. It goes down to Lancashire. We're bringing the 3-car out. See, it is like a tram being towed with like a truck. That's gonna come in here. It's gonna be its new home with the hotel shuttle. Yes. In those dirty people, and they have to go through security so they can be clean. Yay! So there it is, your construction update at Jurassic Park. Jurassic Parking, I mean. Because this is the Jurassic Parking structure. So soon those walls are going to be gone. These ones too. Gone. Show you the escalators. See? Escalators. Brand new. Not working yet. You gotta get a little bit of City Walk too. Hi, Dragon. The kids playing in the fountains. Hi, Dragon. How are you? Yeah, it's so hot. I feel like going in those fountains. I love the Kong. How's it going? People on the city walk. So yeah, that's a new thing right there. The NBA store. Bubba's is still here. Buy sugar. It's sugar. A couple new things, but the NBA store. Replaced Abercrombie and Fitch. It's fine with me. Hi Kong. Are you happy about that? I can tell you are. See the columns? Yes, they're still there. Class. It still says class. At the NBA store. Right on top of Bubba Gumps, and you know what? It smells really good. Hong Kong. And something new, Raising Cane's. Now open. Right across from Starbucks. And the thing over here, I only found out what that's gonna be. Behind those construction walls. See, it's already built. Restrooms. By the AMC Theater. Get the Mario Galaxy star over there. But yeah, Cane's. That's new. Puppy dog in there. It's huge. Look at all the LED boards. It was that Asian restaurant. I'm forgetting the name of it. But now it's Cane's. Getting ready for a dance party on Fridays. Yes, Toothsome is still here. I still have not been inside. I mean, I've been inside, but I haven't eaten there. Because it was a 3-hour wait. I don't think it's as bad now. Gonna have to make it over there, but there's something over here that they're building also. Or construction walls by Margaritaville. See that thing there? Yeah, this used to be iFly. This is the other security hub. If you park Curious George or ET, you'll be going through those. And it's hard to see. Gotta get up higher. But right next to Margaritaville. And what's those pretzels? I like to hear them. The construction workers are busy. And here's something new. Escapology. I haven't done this yet. Looks cool. Curious George. Got a Pop Mart coming soon. Uh-oh. Yes, Curious George, you're not going nowhere. That's the way to the ET parking. So you're gonna have to walk all the way through here to behind those blue walls. We'll be going to the new security hub. So we have the black construction walls. Let's see if we can see anything. I see a little bit, not much. But back there, you'll be going through the security. I'm Curious George. But right now, we're all still dirty. Let's go up a little higher. Okay, got up a little higher. Now you can see the Curious George security guard. Oh, look, they still got the iFly. Huh. You guys will take that down. Look, they're working away. A lot of construction, as you heard. They're working on it right now. But yeah, it's gonna look like the one we just saw over at Jurassic Parking. City Walk is going to be very safe. Because we all have to go through security. And the last over here of the construction, over by the Buka restaurant. We call it the Buka Turnaround, for Uber and Lyft drop off, and if you have a nice friend dropping you off, let's go look at that. Oh, hi, skate ball. Oh, it's usually turning. It's not turning. There's the love of palm trees. We have a lot of palm trees. This is Universal Studios Boulevard, where you can drop off. You'll be able to drop off still. But then you have to go through there to go through security. Right now, yeah, they're working on some more walls. They went underground. Right above them. It's weird. But yeah, they're building more walls. Those black see-through fence. And if you go through valet, I don't know. I think you're gonna have to go through the Jurassic security. But yeah, we're gonna be safe, and you'll be clean once you go through security. Hi, Buka, turn around. I guess you're not going nowhere. City walk. City walk sign. In this area, you won't be able to walk up on top like I am right now. So you're gonna miss this view with the statues over here. Maybe Buka will let you step outside if you're clean. Buka. So let's get a shot of this. You might not be able to see it. My security have. Oh, you can see a little bit better over here. You gotta be clean and go through security. Have LA vibes. I like this area. The colored floor. At Christmas, they put lights around the statues. Oh, we're gonna miss this part. I think so. I think we're gonna be missing this part. Boo. Because these doors are gonna be shut. And you can't get through. Curious. George, help me. Right now they're open, yay. Yeah, they're gonna be closed. Boo. And that is the end of our construction update from Faith. Have Faith Will Travel. And I traveled back a year, almost a year and a half later, of my first construction video, just to give you guys an update. Because yeah, things are changing around here. A little bit more security, give yourself a little bit more time, but you will be safe on City Walk. And you won't have to go through security when you get to the front gates of Universal. Because yeah, you'll already be clean. So thanks for joining me. Have a good one. And I have linked my 2 videos from a year and a half ago in the description. Check them out.